Hi friends, so now we have learned different elements in R, basics of R, and how to use functions, how to define functions, how to get the working directory, how to read CSV file, some basic commands. Okay, so now before learning how to plot graphs in R, first we need to learn uh, some basic coding. Okay, so today we will learn about how to install packages in R, how to use those packages in R, and how to use rbind, how to use cbind, and how to create your own data frames, and how to manipulate your data frames. Okay, so going forward, I am teaching you how to install packages. Install dot packages in R. So suppose a package name car. So this is the simple syntax of installing packages. That's install dot packages R. Okay. Install dot packages and the package name in inverted commas. Remember, in inverted commas. Okay. So it gets installed. Similarly, install dot packages are data. So these are the packages name that you have many number of packages in R, like this list you have to use them according to your usage. Okay, now how to use these packages? We have installed this. How to use? So before starting your main code in your R script, you have to mention all the package that you will use in that script. So it's library and suppose card data, and then you will start writing your code here. Write your code after this. Okay. Now this is actually simple commands. We will be able to do this afterwards. Now going forward, I am showing you how to do rbind, cbind and manipulate your data. So these are three vectors. You can see for time utilization purpose I have already typed the code. We have made three vectors: name, Sham, city, number. Name, city and number. After that, we have passed values into this vector. It's name Shyam, Shamata, Ritu, city is Lucknow, Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, number, some numbers. These are the information of a person. Shyam, city of Lucknow is of this number. Shamata, Pune of Pune is of this number. So basically it's data of individual combined together. Now for combining these individual data, we use cbind. Cbind means column bind. Okay, so how to use column bind? So here I am cbinding the three vectors into a single object called information. Okay, let's execute this. Control enter. Cbind name, city and number. Now let's see the output of this. See, do you remember something after looking at this object? Yes, you are right. This is the data frame type. It has column bind. See, it has column bind the data. Your name, this is column bind. So it has mounted itself as column and shown you. Okay. Similarly, for comparison purpose, let's create a data frame of same type. Okay. So I am creating my data frame here. This is my data frame. The object name is new info and data frame, and as you know the syntax, then name, city, number. Okay. Now let's execute this data frame. Okay. Now let's print this data frame and see that what result we get. Exactly, you are seeing a similar result, name, city, number, right? Now, going forward, we will learn about row bind, that is R bind. What does R bind mean? So, for learning R bind, now we have two objects. First was the object from the output from the C bind known as information, and second was the object from the number data frame, the object of data frame, that is new info. Now let's row bind these two objects, information and new information. So row binding these two is um, all info, all information is equals to our bind of information, comma new info. Now we have row bind these two, information and info. Now let's see the output of this new object. Print now what this has done is this much part was from information and this much the remaining part was from info. It has row bind this two. It has row bind this two object, you can see. Okay friends, this is for this lecture. Now after this we'll learn plotting.